Today we're looking at the Yosh MagSafe Car Mount charger. On paper, it's a 15-watt wireless charger with a rock-solid mount design, but how does it hold up in real-world use, especially when compared to bulkier, non-MagSafe car holders? Let's find out. So before upgrading, I was using this old mount with my iPhone 11 Pro. It didn't have MagSafe, of course, so the charger had to grip the phone on both sides and even from the bottom. It worked, but it was bulky and quite fiddly. Switching to a MagSafe dock has been a true game changer. Now I can just hop in the car, pop my phone on the charger, and take it off with one hand when I'm done. No more of this awkward clamping business. So the Yosh charger delivers up to 15 watts wireless charging, though keep in mind you'll need a proper 12-volt adapter for, of course, that full speed. The one that I bought actually didn't come with one of these adapters, so it costs £17.99, but you can get a bundle with the adapter included for about £26. This is a very solid feeling charger. The upgraded double hook design grips the car vent from both sides, which makes it a lot more stable than the usual single clip mounts like my old one had. Once it's fastened, it doesn't wobble or shake, and even on those rough roads, it doesn't go anywhere. The overall design is sleek and minimal, and it honestly blends nicely into my black car interior. The main feature is obviously the MagSafe plate, and it does the job really well. The magnets are strong and just as good as the official Apple accessories that I've tried. Your phone locks in perfectly every single time. It also supports other phones with the included magnetic ring, so it's not just for those iPhone users. You also have the option to mount it either on your vent or even on the dashboard, depending on your car setup. It comes with this dashboard adapter with a 3M sticky tape, but to be honest, I think the vent is just the way to go. So in terms of performance, this is where things do get a little bit mixed. The charging speed isn't the fastest in practice, and I've noticed that the charger actually runs quite hot while in use. I can't say for sure that it's the charger itself, or just the fact that mine actually sits in direct sunlight on the dashboard, but it definitely gets warm, and the phone also gets quite warm as well. Charging is reliable and steady, but not as quick as I would expect from those 15-watt claims. Now, the only mistake that I actually did make in buying this product was not actually buying the bundle with the adapter. Without it, you won't get those peak charging speed, and the listing does recommend avoiding your car's built-in USB ports. Spending the extra few pounds up front would have made things a little bit easier, but another £8 for just a small adapter is a little bit crazy. So the main downsides here are, of course, there's no included adapter at the base £18 price. It does have slower real-world charging than it did advertise on the listing, and there is a little bit of that noticeable heat buildup on the device and phone itself. For me, these are the only things that are holding this device back. So overall, the Yosh MagSafe Car Mount charger is a big step up from the older clamp-style mounts. It's sturdy, secure, and makes everyday use so much more convenient. The charging performance, of course, isn't perfect, but for under £20 or under £25, if you want the adapter, it's a sleek and functional MagSafe dock that just does the job. If you found this review helpful, then of course make sure to leave a like rating and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future tech content. Leave a comment as well. Let me know what you think about this Yosh MagSafe car mount. Are you going to get one? If you are thinking about it, the link is down there in the description. Also, check out this video on the screen if you haven't seen it already. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.